So there you have it, 10 psychology tricks to make anyone instantly like you. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know. And if you want more mind-blowing psychology hacks, hit that like button and subscribe, because the next video will dive into the psychology of attraction. The mirroring effect. People naturally like those who act like them. Subtly copy their body language, tone, or gestures. They'll feel a deeper connection. Use their name. Hearing your own name activates pleasure centers in the brain. Use someone's name in conversation, but don't overdo it. The power of a smile. Smiling not only makes you approachable, but it also makes people subconsciously mirror your positive emotions. Ask for small favors. It's called the Ben Franklin effect. When someone does you a small favor, they actually start to like you more. Active listening. Nod, maintain eye contact, and repeat back key points. People love those who make them feel heard. The compliment sandwich. Start with a compliment, give feedback, and end with another compliment. It makes people more open and positive toward you. Open body language. Don't cross your arms. Keep your posture relaxed and open. This signals trust and confidence. Match their energy. If they're excited, show excitement. If they're calm, be calm. Matching energy creates instant comfort. Leave them wanting more. End conversations on a high note. People will remember you as positive and engaging. The spotlight effect. Reminder. Most people are too worried about themselves to judge you harshly. Be relaxed. Confidence is attractive. Want people to instantly like you? Science says it's possible. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful psychology tricks that can make you more likable, whether it's meeting new friends, impressing coworkers, or even on a first date.